Today we're going to take a look at creating a bill within Ramp and seeing it sync over into the Sage 100 via the Anyware Apps connector. Starting off, we'll be creating a new bill within Ramp. First step is to create a vendor that already exists. We'll want to use a test invoice number. Invoice number will be required. From here, we're going to pick an invoice date because invoice date is also required. And then we're going to fill out the line item section since line items are required as well. For this bill, we're going to do it under travel for $451. For payment details, we're going to pick ACH. So we're going to pick direct deposit and go ahead and click continue. This gives us a little overview. And we're going to click create bill. If we click on the for approval section, we can see that the bill has moved over here and needs approval. We'll approve it and see it over here in the for payment section. There it is there. Let's go ahead and switch over to Sage 100. In Accounts Payable, we'll go to Invoice Data Entry. In here, you'll see a Ramp Sync button. Now, one thing to mention is that this will be automated within your environment, and it will be scheduled to sync over on a regular basis. However, if there is a need for a manual sync or a sync that needs to happen immediately, this manual option is available. After we click Sync, it begins to load. Once the syncing has finished, we'll go ahead and release the batch and go to Invoice History Inquiry. We're going to input the invoice number that we created earlier. And here we can see the $451 from Airway. And this is the bill in Sage 100. Thank you so much.